Hello and welcome to my anatomy and physiology class, winter of 2020. Just a quick introduction before we meet on class on Tuesday. Couple of things I want you to be aware of. One is that I would like you to remind you first off that this is a face-to-face class that will be in room 2305 on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then I will be recording it using Blackboard Ultra and then posting those recordings, and then you can view them online. So this is a face-to-face component and an online component, and the tests will be face-to-face or online, and I'll talk more about the tests later. Before Tuesday, I want you to first off get a textbook. Now, the textbook, they changed it mid-term, which is kind of confusing. This is edition 3. We will be using edition 3. I just got it on Friday, so I'm still going through it myself. Edition 2 will work if you have it. I'll still put reference to edition 2. It is almost identical, other than they've rearranged it. They've took chapter 19 and put it as chapter 4 and shifted everything. So you can use edition 2 if you can get one cheap. If you're buying one new, get edition 3 so the pages won't make you crazy. So first thing I want you to do before Tuesday is get a textbook. Second thing, I want you to log into Blackboard and look around. Blackboard is now open. Third thing, find the course outline, find the schedule, download the reading guide, and pre-read or skim chapter 1 and 2. This class goes very fast with a lot of content. We go on a little more detail than we did in the pre-health biology class, but again, a lot of detail. So let me quickly show you a quick introduction to Blackboard for now. We'll go into more detail in class. Here is your home page. If you're trying to get a hold of me, please send me an email. Do not use the message system here. My email is basically denise.childs@rdc.ab.ca. I access that on my phone, and I'm usually pretty quick at getting back to it. Okay, start here. If you have not been to RDC before, you're not familiar with Blackboard, here's information on how to set things up, a little introduction here. What I want you to do before Tuesday is find the course outline. Here's a printable link, download it and have a look. Also, the schedule is here, and we're pretty busy. We're doing a chapter or two every single day, so please keep ahead. If you need, here's the printable schedule. So realize what's going on there. We'll keep pretty busy. Also, if you need a hint to read, I do wish you to pre-read. Over here, I have the reading guides. What I've done is on a Google Drive, I have put basically a reading guide to help you read through the textbook to extract the information. The reading guides, if you have the second edition, the old one, I still have them here in case you need, you want those. The reading guides are here, and it is a Word document that you can download and work through to understand what the key concepts are. So download that. If you're a writer, put some spaces in it and you can fill it in class. If you're a typer, you can type it in class, or you can just refer to it, but this is the guidelines on the referring there. Okay, so that's what I want you to do for now. Just a quick introduction. I will see you on Tuesday. Now, for those of you who are going to follow me online, when you're following me online, I will be using what's called Blackboard or Ultra Collaborate here. Sorry, Collaborate Ultra. What I will do is I will be recording the sessions. Now, you can join the session live. Unfortunately, I won't be able to interact with you very regularly because it's kind of demanding with the class and interacting, but I will record them, and then they will be stored here under recordings. Now, I've set some up here already. This is just an equipment check. This one doesn't have sound, and this one has sound and no picture. But once I get it all done, tomorrow I'm going to go to and put all the equipment again too and have a pre-recording so you can check before we actually record on Tuesday. Okay, so for those of you who are doing the online, I'll put another video on in a little more detail there, but you'll find that under Collaborate Ultra. Now I did put PowerPoints here. The PowerPoints are, someone's asked for them. They're an older version because the third edition hasn't been produced yet. They're old. They don't have enough data. Some people like them as an outline, but they do not have the detail you need in this course. But some people wanted them, so they're there. Okay? Your assignments will be here. We're not looking at assignments first. Here's the first chapter here, or Unit 1 here. So these are the first bits to get us going. Hope that helps. I will see you on Tuesday. If you have any questions, please email me. You can get a hold of me right here. denise.chiles.rdc.abc.ca. And the textbooks should be in the bookstore, so there shouldn't be any problem there. See you Tuesday.